Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the OWC 64GB DDR5 ECC registered memory module. Specifically, this is designed as a replacement for Kingston's KSM48 or 40BD 4TMM 64HMR. So if you're looking to upgrade your workstation or server, this might be exactly what you need. First, it's crucial to understand what ECC registered memory is. This isn't your standard desktop RAM. ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is designed to detect and correct errors that can occur during data processing. This is incredibly important for servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. Registered DIMMs, or RDIMMs, include a register that sits between the memory controller and the memory chips. This helps to stabilize the signals and allows for higher memory capacities and greater reliability. The OWC module is a DDR5 4800, which translates to PC5-38400, running at a CL40 latency. It's a 2RX4 module, meaning it has 2 ranks and is organized with AX4 data width. It operates at a standard 1.1V. This module is fully JITEC compliant and ROSE compliant, ensuring it meets industry standards for performance and environmental safety. OWC also emphasizes that this is a warranty-safe upgrade, meaning it shouldn't void your system's warranty, but always double-check your manufacturer's policy. One of the biggest advantages of using ECC register memory is the increased stability and reliability it offers. Servers handle critical tasks, and even small data errors can lead to crashes or data corruption. ECC memory significantly reduces the risk of these issues. The registered aspect of this memory module further enhances stability, especially when you're populating multiple memory slots. OWC is positioning this as a way to maximize your server's potential, whether you're extending the life of an existing system or building a new one. The 64GB capacity is substantial, allowing you to run memory-intensive applications and virtual machines with ease. It's important to reiterate that this memory is specifically for workstations and servers that support ECC registered DIMMs. It will not work in standard desktop computers that use unbuffered memory. Also, you cannot mix this type of memory with unbuffered or ECC load reduced memory. Make sure to check your system's specifications before purchasing. OWC provides a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This is a significant advantage, as it gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if any issues arise. In conclusion, the OWC 64GB DDR5 ECC registered memory module is a solid choice for upgrading compatible servers and workstations. Its focus on data integrity, stability, and OWC's comprehensive support make it a worthwhile investment for those who need reliable performance. Just be absolutely certain that your system supports ECC registered memory before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.